The lost phone. One day, Emma, a high school student, was rushing to school. She had just bought a brand new smartphone, and it was her most prized possession. As she hurried down the street, she stopped at a coffee shop to grab a quick breakfast. While waiting for her order, Emma placed her phone on the counter. Distracted by a chat with her friend, she forgot to pick it up and left the shop. It wasn't until she got to school that she realized her phone was missing. Panic set in as she retraced her steps, but the phone was nowhere to be found. Back at the coffee shop, Max, the barista, noticed the phone sitting on the counter. He knew it must belong to someone and decided to take action. Max placed a note on the phone with his contact information and posted a message on the shop's social media page, hoping to find the owner. Emma saw the post during lunch break and was relieved to find out that her phone had been found. She quickly contacted Max and arranged to pick up her phone from the coffee shop. When she arrived, she thanked Max profusely for his honesty and kindness. Life lesson: honesty and kindness can lead to new friendships and positive outcomes. English lesson: vocabulary, prized possession, distracted, retraced, panic, action, contact, gratitude, gesture. Grammar: use of past perfect tense. For example, Emma had just bought a smartphone. She had realized her phone was missing.